How to export and import forms in MTE. These functions are very useful for multi-site offices where the headquarters is responsible for sending and tracking applications with the lender. Application forms can be created remotely and then exported in an email to the headquarters, where these are then imported into MTE and sent to the lender. The default installation for MTE is on the PC desktop, which results in all the MTE forms being stored locally on that PC. MTE can also be configured to a local network, enabling users to access their cases when moving desks within their office. Currently, for non-network installations, MTE cases are not accessible if the users access MTE on a different PC, like a remote office, for example. To assist users who occasionally need to be able to access MTE cases from different PCs, we have developed an import-export wizard. This enables users to export a case, the exported file is encrypted and client data is secure, and then re-import the case onto a different PC. Please note that another instance MTE will need to be installed on the PC that the case is being imported to. Exporting cases. 1. Load MTE and click File, Import and Export. 2. Next, select the Export option and click Next. 3. The next screen will give the opportunity to select one or more multiple cases to export. Once these have been selected, click Next. 4. The next screen gives 3 options for use when exporting cases. Export for backup. This option will leave the form in MTE and create a copy which can be restored to a different MTE installation. This needs to be used with caution, particularly if the case is at a ready to send stage, as this means that the case could be potentially sent twice and credit score the client twice. As the name suggests, this is best used for backing up MTE cases. Export and delete. This option will export the case and delete the copy in MTE. Again, this should be used with caution, as once deleted from MTE, it cannot be retrieved. If the user saves the exported cases to a USB memory stick and loses it, the case will be lost. Export and checkout. This option exports the case and leaves a copy in MTE, but the MTE copy will be locked. This means that the case cannot inadvertently be edited, deleted or sent until the case is restored. A user might export the case, take it to a different branch and continue to work on the case, then take it back to the original branch. If they lose the exported case, then the MTE support can restore the locked copy. The next screen gives 2 options for the exported file. The user can save it to a location on their PC desktop, for example. The default location is MBL.ie, but a different location can be chosen by clicking the highlighted button below. Alternatively, they can email the case to a colleague. MTE can integrate with Outlook, but this should not be relied on, as the exported client file is encrypted and therefore will not be able to be scanned by email virus checkers. Quite often this will not be received by the recipient. This will, however, remain in the user's sent items in Outlook. Importing cases. Once the user has successfully exported the case and copied it to a USB stick or similar, they can import the case on a new MTE client installation. 1. Open MTE and load the import wizard using the above procedure, but click Import. The screen will require the user to select where the imported case is held. Again, they can click the highlighted Browse button to select the appropriate location. 2. Next, just select the application from the list and click Import to finish.